How to delete an app on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete an application on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to delete a certain application on your iPhone, first of all you can see different sort of applications on your home screen, and if you would like to delete a certain one, all you have to do is just long press on that particular app here, and there you'll find the remove app button. So you can choose to remove the app or only from your home screen, or to delete it completely you can just tap on the delete app option. So if you only want to hide it from home screen, you can select hide from home screen, or you can directly select the delete app option here in order to delete the app. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then delete an app on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.